If you are watching this, you are one of 10 people on the planet who have ever seen Credit Repair Cloud 2.0.
That's how the new site is gonna look. Wow.
It looks so much better.
Ooh. Looks fresh. It looks fresh.
You know, to the eye, it looks amazing.
This is gonna be integrated in the software?
I'm jealous. All the newbies are gonna get all the good stuff.
Oh my God, no way. We don't have to do that anymore. Are you serious? Man, that's the most time-consuming thing in our business. It's wow. Wow.
Very cool. I like that, man.
That's the next level right there, man.
Just like that. That simple. One click of a button.
You have no idea how much time this saves, how much aggravation this saves.
That's gonna 10x everybody business, everybody, because a lot of people who have the softwares, they're not doing it like that.
So we're gonna be able to scale the business up much faster.
And this is all within the software. Like, this is dope. Can I say that? Can I say this is dope? Because this is dope.
It just eliminated 80% of the problems in my business. I really could cry.
These are new tools that you probably won't even have an idea of how much they're gonna impact your credit business.
This just broke like another ceiling.
Wow, man. So that's gonna save a lot of time.
I don't know what to say. This is incredible, man.
This is brilliant. This is absolutely brilliant that you made this come to life.
I can't wait to try it out. You need to hurry up and release it.
Do we have an ETA on this release?
When is this launching? I'm ready.
I'm so excited. This is really going to change the game for my company and take it to another level. Just when you think Credit Repair Cloud couldn't get better, they take it to another level.